here we are at the end of week 1. Our system's done, the digital system, switching system's done, and half the program's now, so you can see what you've got forward. You need to, that's when you understand the function of this switch, is simply to isolate that. Here we've got some more bus bars, that's your main negative bus bar for rest of the boat's wiring will connect all your lights, your pumps, everything. The wake speed, it's the engine starting. Off, it's off, on, it's on. Use when you're going to sea, so this will be your navigation electronic. This is more for your domestic down, it does just go on and off, but if you have lights connected, that will dim them off. The rest of the boat's pretty who's going to actually do the wiring of the entire boat, which is the Metin, nice chap, pretty good. We've still got another sort that out, so all looking good.